but in the smaller time frames, I mean on the 15, this is quite bearish. High being taken, low that was formed before that high was taken is broken impulsively, fair value gap, retracement into that fair value gap. So on the 15, I have confirmation. Yeah, seeing me journaling right now. It honestly did follow my rules. But you know, I just pulled the one up when I done bullish reversal. What confirmations did I have? As I can see, took a quick loss here. I should have opened the camera before I entered this trade, but yeah, not a good week. Looking to see if price can come back to retrace and probably touch this fair value gap. Alright, so we are in a trade. Oh, before I even tell you about that, welcome back to another video. Okay, now you're good, but I'm in a trade. As you can see, it's in some drawdown. I actually entered a second position as well. That's also in drawdown. I'll just show you guys so you know I ain't capping. I got skin in this. But yeah, stop is set just right here above the height of this bearish candle right there. So yeah, looking to see what price does. I sent this out. I also sent out that I entered a second position for those who might want to do the same or just know that I'm doubling down on this trade. So you lose one, I lose two, because I actually sent the trade out at like a bad time, to be honest. It wasn't a good entry. It was still at the bottom here. But yeah, I did tell them to reduce risk. So who's in the trade, it's still supposed to be about the same amount as in dollar value that we risk on our account. Yeah, so I sent this out at 9:46, 9:47. I told them reduce risk for this trade and let it run. And how it's going, I'm entering a second sell position here and holding. So it's currently 11 minutes after 10, not too long after we enter that trade, but it does not look too bad. Regardless, risk was managed. Even though it was two trades, I think it's like $60 in total I'm going to be losing, and we up 352. Not hard to make the back, like that's literally one trade. So I'm $130 from passing the challenge. Not hurting, honestly. I've been down to $5,580 something. So yeah, definitely can make it back. But hey, one thing I'm very, very glad. Oh yeah, I got a new angle, by the way. Tell me if you're digging this new one. But yeah, one thing I'm glad I really got to do was take. Oh, may even paste it yet, but yeah, good. Still there, copy. Got the before screenshot. Didn't paste it, but why not? Yeah, seeing me journaling right now. It honestly did follow my rules. But you know, I just pulled the one up when I done bullish reversal. What confirmations did I have? Alright, so I didn't have much on the larger time frames, the daily and so on. I can probably skip out all of this because I gave you all this analysis already. I don't want to be doing one thing over and over in the videos. But in the smaller time frames, I mean on the 15, this is quite bearish. High being taken, low that was formed before that high was taken is broken impulsively, fair value gap, retracement into that fair value gap. So on the 15, I have confirmation. On the 5 as well, because this is the same high that took whatever. It's the same low, it's still gaps empty here. Even up there was a little gap that price reversed that, or is reacting at, I should say. So yeah, I have confirmation on the 15 and on the 5. I don't really use confirmation from the 1 minute or so, but I guess 1 minute liquidity as well was taken. It had a gap. I don't journal it because 5, 15, hourly, 4 hour, daily, those are the time frames that I mainly look at. So you know, that's what I account for. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, did that happen? Honestly, I wouldn't really say that. The morning, since the day start, it's been down. It came back up a little and then it just shot up over yesterday's high. So I don't think, yeah, I wouldn't say that's really AMD. But I did see 15-minute liquidity, 5-minute liquidity, 5-minute and 15-minute impulsive candles. So let me put that 5-minute fair value gap, 5 minutes impulsive. I did not look at the volume for confirmation, but yes, above there, after it was taken out, we had strong impulsive bearish volume. These volume bars at the bottom, hope you guys could see it. So that was directly after the high was taken. So it is still possible that we have a move to the downside based on the volume, based on the confirmations of the 15 and the 5. So okay, we have impulsive candle. This is 5-minute volume, right? Great. And let me see if I have 15-minute volume, since it's just occurring on the 15 and 5-minute. Yeah, very impulsive, very large volume bar, and relatively large candle size. Yeah, that was like the largest candle in at least, yeah, till Tuesday I had a candle as large as this. Yeah, I had some bullish candles here, but they didn't look as quite large as this bearish one, even the wicks if you consider it larger. So okay, that's very, very good for a sell. It eases my mind now to see that confirmation as well. So all of this 15-minute liquidity, 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute impulsive, and 15-minute volume. No other liquidity or impulsive action. Great, that's a lot of confirmations. I ain't even gonna lie to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's even more than my previous record, which was 7. Can't fill that one up as yet. Time frame 5 and 15. RR 1 to 1, unfortunately, and I did get a 1 to 2 as well. So I guess I should put the 1 to 2 because I did put a second entry up here at around 61, and that would be about a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. I mean, just for the sake of measurement, that's about 1 to 2. Good. So that's a 1 to 2. I don't want to crowd the chart like that. And yeah, the after the journey documentation or notes or whatever, that's gonna be after. But for now, I like how this looking. I'm following my rules so far. I'm gonna put an A here as long as the trade hit TP or stop loss, and that means, you know, I'm disciplined. So yesterday I did follow my rules, but I wasn't disciplined. I didn't let the trade hit TP, and honestly the trade yesterday, you see it hit TP at 5:15 this morning. So honestly wouldn't even be in that much drawdown. I took the trade here, told persons they could either move the stop loss to break even or exit as well. Some persons stayed in, didn't move the stop, some didn't see the message to move the stop, a blessing or curse. And if they held the trade since this morning, then yeah, TP, sweating like heck. But this trade here, you know, all this drawdown here kind of, you know, it can make anybody sweat. And I live close to the seawall. My house is like really windy when the day comes. But when it comes to Forex, getting AC and all that sweat. But yeah, I withstand all this drawdown, so watching it can cause me to sweat. But yeah, I gotta go, you know, prepare to actually go out. So I'm glad I got to analyze the markets and send this out beforehand, and I'll give you guys an update either a couple hours later, or yeah, it can be a couple hours later once this trade hit TP or SL. But yeah, man. As y'all can see, took a quick loss here. I should have opened the camera before I entered this trade, but yeah, not a good week. Looking to see if price can come back to retrace and probably touch this fair value gap. My bias was short-term bearish, long-term bullish, because I know liquidity was above here. I know at this point right here, and the next one is at 260 something or 280. Yeah, 280 actually. So I'm looking to ride a wave up to there. We're overall bullish. So yeah, this was the same bullish from these two trades. Now we're above here. So short term was too much short term yesterday. That was a complete loss. But as of right now, I'm back to being bullish, especially with the loss. But I'm looking to see if price will retrace before heading up to 260 or 280. So I'm gonna update y'all then. Once I see an opportunity to get in, I will, with, you know, manage the risk, because I can't get in where that right now. That's just too much risk for me. Stop would have to be below the nearest low, and there would be like a whole 100 almost. It was like 90 or 90. Exception is not bad, but we could reduce the risk. So yeah, man, and check in with y'all once I enter the trade. Alright, apologies, silly noise, but we are in another trade. Actually, I entered a little bit lower. Like where this is where my stop loss is. And my take profit for this trade set at 270. This is the trade parameters. This was the very, very short and very quick loss. I took $21 loss on this one. This trade, the 0.1 was a mistake, but I'm gonna just allow it to run regardless. Let me put in my stop losses while we're watching. Yeah, I'm risking $5. The 0.1. On one of the other normal trades, I'm risking $27, and on the other normal trade, I'm risking 22. Let's make it 23. So that would be a good $55 in total. Good. It's good to be comfortable with your risk. Let this trade do its thing. Let's see how much I would be profiting. I'm risking to gain $34 on one, then $6 on the 0.1, $40 on the other trade. So yeah, I'm gonna let this run. This is gonna be the setting to get for the day, and I can finally get back to editing. I just come out of the live session that we held this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna let this trade play out. I'm gonna let it do it fine. Has not taken liquidity, long-term liquidity. It sits above 18,262, and another one at 272, and a fair value gap at 282. No, 280. 18,280. So we're watching this. Anyhow, gonna check back in with y'all once this trade hit stop loss or take profit. If this hits stop loss, this is gonna be a real, not the week, you know, a real L week. But we recover regardless. So trying to remain disciplined and see it straight out. You're gonna have losing days, you're gonna have lose. The key is to not deviate or change or give up. So yeah, check back in with y'all in a few. It's not my week. It's really not my week. 150 on the challenge account, and let me see. Wow, 360 on my personal account. I was $500 in profit. Bro, this fucking price just take me out and go up. I can be so mad, so fucking mad. But that's it. We out of all of the trades. I was just a dumb margin. That's consolidation or something. I really don't understand. The only reason I could like tell myself I got for losing is on the 4 hour. It looks like, you know, a break to the upside and a retracement into this little gap that's between these two candles. Look at this. You see? This little gap between there, not till okay. Between there. So I don't know. I honestly didn't see this coming. Some real unpredictable market conditions. I even had volume saying, okay, look, we're looking to go up. And where would you look to go up? Nah, at least above the most recent high. But it made another fucking double top. Price been doing double tops and causing me to lose trades. The risk was managed, which is the only good thing. I also still have this account and its intent, which is goal I set out to accomplish or achieve or whichever one you want to say, and it happened. So I can't even go in for a sell for this because it didn't take out any highs before going down. So this is why it's weird. I don't have like a reason why, and that's the thing that pissing me off. But whatever, fucking sweeping in the background, I know. Yeah, well, just watch this. This is a losing week. It's L's all week. Like, even if I wait and see this price come up and take out them highs and then look for going, like, which low did it break impulsively? You see? That's why I don't know what's the reason. Which low did it break, and was it a low that was formed before a high being taken out? It was not. My strategy does not account for this type of movement price. But as usual, I'm watching it. I already entered 2 trades today, so I think I'm just gonna call it a for the day. So yeah, possibly should send a screenshot over there to my journal. Back to back. These are the confirmations that I thought I had. 5-minute fair value gap, 15-minute fair value gap, no liquidity being swept though. This was liquidity for fucking sure. I was in that shit. Party the liquidity pool. 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. So for the whole week, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 2 wins, 3 L's. The L's, the wins, look at the wins. 27 and 23 pips, really. This was an inverse week. And you know this week I used large lot size, right? You see what I tell you? 5 minutes and 15. Usual story. Anyways, I ain't gonna let y'all sit through this. We already out to the trade, and check back in with y'all in a couple if I see another entry. If not, then you already know. Catch you in the next one on Monday. Like, comment, subscribe, because your bike could really use that W on something else right now. But that's it for now. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.